What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about the Diatone GTB Pro. This is the FalcoX version. It has like the all-in-one FalcoX board. It's a 20 by 20, and it has the ESCs on it, so it's all-in-one, and it also has a separate VTX and everything else. It's really cool what they did here and what they were trying to do, but they fell short in so many ways just because mine doesn't work anymore. I flew it on 3S. I flew 2S pretty well, and I flew about 4 batteries, maybe 3 batteries. No, yeah, about 3 batteries. And then I went on to change the props out, put the tri-blades, the bi-blades on, so I can do the 3S, because it says specifically in the instructions, do not fly the tri-blade props on 3S. Only do those on 2S for the bi-blade. So I went and followed those instructions. First battery, it actually desynced, didn't destroy anything. Then I tried it again, and it did it again, and that's when it blew the ESC on the bottom. So unfortunately, I can't really suggest this quadcopter just because it doesn't work. I mean, it flew great on 2S, and I'll show you some footage now of it just flying around, and it flew really smooth, and probably was one of the best 3-inch quads I've actually flew on 2S. But unfortunately, it's not working as advertised. I think that there's an issue where this thing can't go up to 3S. I think if we just advertise it as a 2S quadcopter, I think the durability probably would go up a little bit. I don't know. And it flew pretty good on 2S. I'm not saying it was slow or anything. It didn't have that pop like on 3S, but if you know what I'm saying, 2S was pretty good. But unfortunately, I have to call it as it is. I mean, I can't unfortunately recommend this quadcopter. I mean, I'll leave a link to this quadcopter down below if you just want a 2S little quadcopter, and hopefully it doesn't burn out on you. I'll leave it down below. But unfortunately, as a reviewer, I mean, I have to take in consideration, everybody's, comments that I've also received on this, that at least 2 to 3 other people, this thing doesn't work anymore because of the same issue, because it blew an ESC, or even caught on fire. So unfortunately, can't recommend it. So this is actually a really quick video. Usually, normally, I bring it out on the bench. We kind of talk everything over it, about it. But I don't really want to spend the time on it, unfortunately. So I'll see you guys in future videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I do tons of beta flight tutorials, along with like getting smart audio working. Anything you really can think of to just get you up and flying for your first time. So stay tuned to the channel for future videos, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.